Let's make soothing Arbi Sasive. Start by washing the taro root thoroughly. Pressure cook the whole taro root for 5 to 6 whistles. Let it cool completely. Peel off the skin and cut into pieces. Mix the taro root pieces with yogurt and salt. Grind fresh coconut into a smooth paste. Add the coconut paste to the mixture. Now prepare the tempering with coconut oil, urad dal, mustard seeds, and dry red chili. Add curry leaves and asafoetida. Pour this fragrant tempering over the Arbi Sasive. Your comforting Arbi Sasive is ready to enjoy with hot rice. Please like, share and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.